Oh, whose goal is that? Big deflection. That's one for the dubious goals panel. Quite a thriller this one's become.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides, and with such great individual talent on show, it could go either way.
Chan plays it forward. Morata. And it's Iago Falque. Sergio Ramos positions himself well and cuts it out. Iago Falque. And the first 45 minutes are up. But it has been a pretty crazy game so far. The game played out in extraordinary fashion, and the scoreline underlines that. Terrific half, 4 goals split evenly, beautifully set up for the second period to follow. Arsenal get the ball rolling for the second period. Marcelo. Strootman. Chan. Vidal. Belanda. Goes wide. Carrasco. Jorginho. Strootman. Now it's Kane. And he's away. Now it's Strootman. Chan passes it through. He's shapes to shoot. Oh, great save, real class.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
And Yama can pick that up. Vidal. And it's Carrasco. Vardy. Carrasco. So we've reached the hour mark. Arsenal still have 2 substitutions up their sleeve. Jorginho. Neymar. Chan. Now it's Kane. Tries a through ball. It's Chan! Same again, same outcome.
They're just lacking a cutting edge, Peter, and while that's fairly obvious, the rest of their attacking play is...
And the finish! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Marcelo heaves it forward. Kane absolutely focused then on the defensive side of his game.
Well, they say that your front lads should be that first line of stopping the opposition, and I think he's taken it to another level with his desire to get back and help everyone out.
Now it's Carrasco. Looking to get Ferreira Carrasco! A potential goal of the season contender, if only.
Ferreira Carrasco just backs himself every time.
Give up for a header! And he's there to hoof it away. Decent attempt, but not quite good enough.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
It's come loose. Room for shot at goal! Goal! And the comeback is complete. He was urged to shoot, and he duly delivered.
Well, to his credit, he managed to ghost into space to finish things off, but the failure to spot him was ghastly defence.
Arsenal get themselves into the lead.
Well, I think you can write this lot off at your peril. It's been a joy to watch them hold themselves right back into it. Now, can they hang on?
Strootman. And it's Morata. Now it's Kane.
Arsenal certainly don't need to overcommit now. Their priority lies further back.
Carrasco. Almost there, and the players can feel it. So that's it, it is all over. Well, somehow they turned it round. Every ounce of energy, emotional, physical, mental, is spent. That is some win. Well, what are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
I thought it lived up to its billing, Peter.